Hello everyone! Good morning BCIHS family. Today we are going to have another video tutorial regarding PNPKI digital signature. And I bet this one will be the last one for the series. But before anything else, let's have a recap. You already received or downloaded a digital signature from LMS, right? Correct. You already received an email with your login credentials like username and password from PNPKI, right? Correct. You already received another email from PNPKI with your P12 password, and you already used it to access and download your digital signature, right? Correct. So if that's so, you might have like this on your computer. Okay? So find the downloaded digital signature on your computer. I located mine sa downloads, pero para ma-access ko siya easily at hindi ko makalimutan, so inilagay ko siya in separate folder. So nasa new folder na yung akin, but again, I accessed it and located it from the downloads. Okay? So once you have this, you may continue by watching this video tutorial. So what you are going to do is to install. Nag-right click lang po ako doon, install, or pwede din namang double click. Yan. So mas madali kung double click. Okay, so may magpa-pop up na sa screen niyo na certificate import wizard. So where are you going to store it? Given na dito or default na ang current user. Click next. Okay, so sa desktop, new folder, ito na yung ating file name. Okay, we just have to hit next. Okay, this time, kailangan natin yung P12 password. Saan po natin makukuha yung P12 password? Sa email po ng PNPKI sa atin. Again, ang P12 ay makukuha sa email ng PNPKI. Okay? So, let's go back sa email po ng PNPKI sa akin. Copy-paste by P12 password. In import option, you have to enable strong private key protection. So, tick that one. Mark this key as exportable. Again, tick that one. And include all extended properties. And then hit next. Okay, so automatically select the certificate store based on the type of the certificate. Okay. Okay, so that will be the setting. And then hit finish. Okay, so let's check the security level. Okay, if you're going to choose high, it means that every time you're going to access your digital signature, it will require password. But if you're going to choose medium, you do not have to enter your password always as you need it. Okay, so this time I will choose high so that my digital signature will be secured. Now you have to type in your preferred password or your personal password and then confirm. And then click finish. And then click OK. So the import was successful. So if you want to check if your import is successful, just click Windows and then R. Windows and then R. Okay, let's try it. Windows and then R. And there will be a pop-up on your screen. Okay. So on your screen, you will just type cert mgr.msc. Again, cert mgr.msc. Okay, and then click OK. Ayan na po. So go to personal, certificates, and here we go. Andyan na ang ating digital signature. Now, we are ready to use this digital signature. Okay, so let's continue. So this time, I'm going to teach you how to actually use the digital signature installed in your laptop in PDF file. Okay, so the first thing is to locate your e-signature. Okay? Yung e-signature po na tinutukoy ko, yung normally na ginagamit nating e-signature sa ating mga transactions. Okay? So, open lang po natin yon kagaya nito. Okay? So, nakasave as siya as JPEG. We want this na in PDF. Okay? So, paano ang gagawin natin? JPEG to PDF. Punta lang po tayo sa Word. Okay, we just have to copy and paste our JPEG e-signature. Again, copy and then paste. Control V. Okay? And then go to File, Save As. Okay? Where do you want to store your e-signature, PDF file of your e-signature? Ako normally, nilalagay ko muna siya sa desktop para madaling malocate. Okay, ang file name natin, okay, save as, click PDF. Okay. So, sa desktop natin siya ilagay. Okay. Be sure na naka-PDF na yung save as type niya. And then save. Okay. Later, gagamitin natin ito sa ating pag-set up ng digital signature. So, i-minimize muna natin yan. Okay, now let's go to the file or the PDF file na gusto nating lagyan ng signature. As for me, gusto kong lagyan ng e-signature itong aking terminal report sa DICT. So, ano ang gagawin ko? I will open this with the Acrobat Reader. Again, lagi po natin gagamitin not online PDF editor or PDF viewer, but you have to use the Acrobat Reader. This one, Acrobat Reader. Okay po. Let's open the Acrobat Reader and then go to my computer. And then go to desktop kasi nandun po yung aking gusto na i-sign na PDF file. Okay, this one. Okay. Ayan. As you can see, kailangan niya ng signature. Okay. So, punta ako sa Tools. Go to Tools. And then, Certificates. Open lang natin yung certificate. Ayan. Okay. Once na-open na natin ang certificate, babalik siya dun sa file natin. Click Digitally Sign. Okay, may magpa-pop up sa inyo na Adobe Acrobat notification. And then click OK. As you can see on your screen, nagpalit ang cursor ninyo into a positive sign. So you will draw a text box here. So just double click and then drag kung saan nyo gusto ilagay ang inyong digital signature. Okay, normally nilalagay natin over your printed name. And then there will be a pop-up message or notification. Just click sign. Okay, and then another pop-up. Sign with a digital ID. Okay, so just to make sure na authentic ang inyong digital signature, it should be issued by gov-signing CA. Okay? Dapat ito ang nakalagay sa inyong issued by. Okay? Gov-signing CA. Okay, click continue. Okay, so normally, ito ang makikita mo. Okay, sa inyong digital signature. Pero, this is not a signature, right? Ito ay standard text. Okay, with bearing your surname, your name, and then your middle name. Okay, you want to change it into a digital signature. Okay, so what are you going to do? Hit create, and then insert image. So now find your PDF e-signature, yung kanina na sinave nyo as PDF. So now this is my digital signature. So please uncheck logo and then check location. Again, uncheck logo and check location. Okay, and let's try to save it. Okay, so this time, so lock document after signing. Don't forget to lock document after signing just to make it more secure. Okay, then hit sign. So we might want to save this file na already signed. Okay, so lagyan natin ng signed. Ibig sabihin, this file is already signed. Or nalagyan mo na siya ng iyong digital signature. Click save. Okay. Now, nagkaroon tayo again ng pop-up dito sa screen natin. Hinihingi niya yung password. As you can remember kanina, we put our security in high setting. Okay? Kaya every time nagagamit tayo ng digital signature or magdi-digitally sign tayo ng mga document, hihingi siya ng password. And I hope hindi nyo makalimutan yung password na ginamit nyo sa pag-set ng inyong digital signature. So as you can see, I'm done signing this PDF. Okay, siguro I will save. Siguro as for me, I need to edit this signature kasi I might want a bigger digital signature. So papalitan ko to at i-modify ko in a bigger one, a more visible one. Okay, but then again, we are successful in attaching our digital signature. So let's try to check if we successfully attached our digital signature. So this is my file. Okay, ito yung file ko kanina. Let's see. Okay. I-zoom out lang natin. Okay, as you can see, I have here my digital signature. We are successful in attaching our digital signature. Digitally signed by Torio Joy Lim, and nandyan ang date. So as you can see, this is very unique. I hope you will be cautious in sending out or attaching your digital signature, because your digital signature is very sensitive and unique. I am Ma'am Joy Torio, your Computer Emergency Response Team School Coordinator, always at your service. Goodbye! Thank you, everyone!